Boom! Stopped it at exactly $60. Jesus. I really gotta get like a Prius or something. Jesus. Gas is so damn expensive. $60 to fill up my car. And that's at the cheapest gas station in my area. It's $3.89. I can only feel for you if you're in California or somewhere where gas is even more expensive. Guys, this is just a sign, like, inflation's going up. Delivery driving pay not going up. It's actually going down probably. You're making less money. I hope people have been taking my advice and looking for different sources of income to do while they're driving around, because it's getting worse and worse and worse. I just got tires for my trailer the other day. Trailer tires should be ridiculously cheap. They're like, you don't really need them to maneuver or do any sort of anything. They're like the cheapest tires you can get. $400 for 4 tires. Gas has doubled in the last year. It's like we've all taken a pay decrease over the last year. We're making significantly less, and that's why when I don't get a Dash that's completely on the way, I just can't really, like, not only for like my time's sake, but like I just can't drive out of the way to do anything nowadays. And anytime I do something, like I just drove from very South Vegas, the area that I live, to North Summerlin to pick up my gun from my ex-fiance because I let her borrow it. I had to figure out a way. I was like, okay, I got to do something on the way. Well, at least we could go to the mail place and like drop off shoes in that direction. So like I'm at least trying to combine things and not just put dead miles on my car, because especially in my car, when I'm only getting about 20 miles per gallon, it is getting just too expensive to drive around. I don't know what to do. Maybe I do go out and buy like a cheap car or something for like $3,000 to just put my dead miles on that kind of car or something. I don't know. I truly miss my sports car, but man, is it just getting, like, inflation's just getting highlighted. And for the longest time, you saw like the media saying, oh, there's no inflation, rapid inflation is a hoax, it's not actually happening. Yeah, well, it's kind of hard to deny it now, and you see it in the media saying, well, inflation's actually a good thing. Oh really? Inflation's a good thing, you know? Literally doubling gas prices in the last year. Every product, wood has like quadrupled in price. My BMX ramps that we use in the shows, I paid $1,200 for. To make those same BMX ramps now, it would be about $7,000 in wood. That's ridiculous. Like, I'm so glad that I bought them and built them in 2019, right before freaking COVID, because it's so expensive. And like my freaking AR-15 that's right here in the case, to shoot this thing, it used to be like, I think it was like 22 to 23 cents a bullet, and now it's like, I think it's $1.10 per bullet or something crazy like that. And it's like, what do you even do? Like, I don't know. It's so ridiculous. Everything is just going up in price, and it's like, guys, of all times to really like drill down or hunker down, or whatever a better word for that is, hunker down and learn how to make more money. Like, now is the time. Invest into your brain, invest into yourself, because no matter what, even if like I lost all of my money right now and my bank account went back to zero, at least I have the knowledge to make money, because I spend so much money on audiobooks, my education, that Blinkist membership that I have. It's just like, investing into yourself is the best investment you could ever make. And even if it's just like buying assets. If you guys haven't read Rich Dad Poor Dad, it's all about liabilities and assets. Liabilities, for example, is probably this AR-15 that's right here. If you guys want, I'll show you at the end of the video, because a lot of people are like, show us your guns. And I usually don't like to, so I'm just warning you guys at the very end of the video. If you are triggered by an AR-15 or something, I know today is like a very, because the whole Kyle Rittenhouse thing, it's like people are so offended by guns. I'm a very big advocate of protecting yourself. I've had my life threatened multiple times. I had the mob drop off a guy that was shot on my property. I've had some pretty scary moments in my life, so protecting yourself is pretty high on my list. I hope I never have to use this gun, except for shooting cans and stuff in the desert. Anyways, what were we talking about? Yeah, buying assets and liabilities. Assets and liabilities, like, for those of you who haven't read the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, buying a liability, this is a liability, something that's never going to make me money, probably. It may save my life, it's still a liability, though, because it costs me money, doesn't make any money. This car, on the other hand, I make a lot of money with this car. I tow a lot, I get paid pretty good money when I drive across the country with my tramp wall stage. I make money delivery driving. It's technically like my office slash like studio kind of, you know, because I make all my videos in this car. So I make pretty good money off my car. So I would definitely say my car is an asset. This video camera that I'm shooting with is an asset. So if you can invest into assets, not only are they tax write-offs, but you are going to make money with these things, you know? Like, I have no idea. I've made $50,000 to $100,000 just in this last year with this camera. I think just off of YouTube Pay, it's a little over $32,000 just with this camera, which cost me $1,000 to make or to buy. Talk about a good investment, right? I mean, like, buying things that are gonna make you money, like, it's just the best thing you could possibly do with your money. So try to buy things that you actually enjoy doing. Like, I enjoy making videos. I enjoy driving around. I enjoy my trampoline and all my circus equipment that I got in the backyard. I enjoy all of these things. I also like my shoes. I have a shoe business. That's definitely an asset, you know? I enjoy designing shoes. I wouldn't say I enjoy it that much, but I do enjoy designing shoes. I enjoy marketing my shoe products. So just buying as many things that can make you money in the future is going to make life so much easier later on. When you have a bunch of assets, it just means you have more leverage and more ways to make money. The more ways you have of making money, the easier life is going to be. Like, the more assets you have, the easier life gets, and that's straight up. And especially if one of those assets, like my video camera, is connected to passive income, which it is, then, like, I mean, my camera literally, I could buy another camera. It doesn't even matter how much that camera is going to cost. It's totally worth it for me. So just look for buying assets as much as you possibly can in life, and try to make those assets things that you actually enjoy, and maybe things that you can do while you're delivery driving, you know? Maybe it's not a bad idea to look into being a YouTuber. Like, it's pretty good income, especially if you can commit to it like Pedro did this year. Pedro's probably making pretty good money, and that's all passive income. And anyways, so we're pulling up back to my house. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also smash that like button for me real quick. We're about to back into the driveway. If you guys haven't yet, go check out our sale at offaxisathletics.com. Use the discount code Tanners. No. Use the discount code Black Friday. It's even better. Use discount code Black Friday for the next week, and if you don't get this in the next week, use discount code OffAxisTanner, and you will get a lot of money off. Right now, the shoes are about $40. All right, so trigger warning. For those of you who want to see the guns that I got one right here. It's an AR-15. Got a nice little scope on it. It's got a cool custom paint job. I actually have two AR-15s. This one shoots 223, and the other one that I have shoots 22s, so it's technically not an AR-15. So anyways, here's the magazine for it. It's empty. Nothing going on in here. But yeah. Anyways, we will see you guys in the next one. What do you guys think about my gun? You guys have guns? Let me know in the comments down below. What kind of gun you guys got? How much did you pay for that gun? Whatever you want, give me some info. I want to see what you guys got. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Drive safe. Peace.